pretty geeks, and welcome to a very special new unboxing. I got FabFitFun for the holidays, and I'm so super excited because it obviously came quite late, but I wasn't really sure when to expect it, to see if it was going to be here for the winter box or the winter's select box or something because I kept getting the email that, oh, you can make your picks, you can make your choices, and then it kept not working. And then I went onto the website and all the social media things were like, people were freaking out, and I was like, okay, it's not a me problem. I'm not gonna worry about it because it's fixing itself. So I did see that they were going to send lots of presents with, in addition to the box. And I'm so excited. You know, I always think that if you just wait it out and give them the benefit of the doubt that it will get fixed, and they sent 3 extra presents, which I'm super duper excited to try. So we'll jump right in. Got the Grown Alchemist Hydra Repair Day Cream, which I have heard some super great things about. I hope the lighting is quite a bit better. I know that there's still a slight lighting thing going on. I need a shade for this light. It doesn't have one yet. And yeah, look at that. So it's got a really cute, like, minimalistic tube and a bajillion ingredients. Oh my word. But I'm really excited. There's like the linalool in here, I know is plant-based. And I'm excited to give it a go. I'll double check all the ingredients, but it has some really great reviews, so I'm happy. I'm really excited. This one is the Moroccan Gold Series Leave-In Mask with pure argan oil. Gorgeous. Let's see. I do try to be careful with these ones because, yeah, they'll put keratin in them, and I'm super duper allergic to keratin. So I will be passing this one along. And, oh, the Yumi Kim, obviously it's a bag. I think it is one of the travel bags. I love watching unboxings, which I know quite a few of my subscribers I am subscribed to, which is super fun. So I think this is the hanging travel organizer. It's got really pretty gold detailing. Ooh, it is. Look at that. It's got its little hook guy. Oh, that's so exciting. And it's got some nice size zipper pockets coming across here. So just here, here, and here. Let's check to see if there's anything inside. Okay, so you can see they are not divided up at all. They are just a really nice ice depth. And I don't really travel enough to say like, oh, I'll put all my makeup and stuff in here. But what I am thinking is that it would be super duper awesome for like a travel planner. It's got these like little loopies even. I could see it would be awesome for like your pens, stuff like that. And it's a good size for like a Kindle or just regular books. I know one of my classrooms, we have Kindles. We weren't able to get like iPads or bigger tablets with more functionality, but during, I want to say it was like Prime Day, they were like buy one get one free. Oof. Which meant we just had to pull some things out of pocket. And oh, it's such a pretty box. Look at that art. Oh my word. In support of Women's Alzheimer's Month. That is so beautiful. I love that. It's been quite some time since I had a box that I just fell in love with, but I'm going to open this one quite a bit more carefully. Oh, even the inside is really lovely. I could totally see that one as a wallpaper. That is really fun. So it starts off Winter 2019 little magazine. So it's a pretty thin magazine. Has a lot of ads and a couple of little articles. I think that'll be cute. Oh, I don't want to peek too much because they explain some of the stuff inside. Let's see. Save this for you. Pass on for a friend. Okay, cool. So I'll put a code down below to give y'all some savings on your next box if you want to try it out too. The HelloFresh, I have tried the HelloFresh. I found them really helpful, but I don't make enough to make it like make sense for me, for my budget. We don't spend that much on food. Oh, wowza. Like this is full. I am so excited. All right. The Kate Somerville Goat Milk Moisturizing Cream. That is going to be super duper awesome for my partner's eczema, actually. There is something so great about goat milk and like oatmeal. Calm and Clean Epsom Salt Hand and Body Wash. The daily cleansing ritual with lavender oil. I am super excited to try that. Really smell through it, and look at that. They like taped it down, even taped the little plunger down properly, so there were no leaks, no accidental punches. And that's just a really nice lavender scent. It does smell just like a nice lavender essential oil, which is super duper pretty. And it's got a hint of sweetness, which I do like. So I know sometimes lavender can smell pretty soapy, so it's interesting to have a soap and not smell too soapy. Next up is Prep Rally Prime and Prep Detangular. That's really cool. And it says it protects up to 450 degrees. Intriguing. Oh, cool. So it's got directions for wet and dry hair. I think that'll be neat because I do like to straighten my hair some of the time. Because I don't do a whole lot with my hair, but I like to straighten it, especially before I put like the softer waves back in, because obviously if it gets wet, it's gonna up anyway. So guess what? You'll be naked in 1 minute. Thank you, Frank Body. Original coffee scrub. Interesting. I don't usually buy things like this because they make so many, but I'm pretty excited to see how the coffee powder works. I've been going back and forth on adding like coffee ones to my shop because they're just not, there's not always the best addition, because some people will get like stains in their tub, or it's going to be add like some discoloration from like unsealed stone, sometimes grout. Next, the Baddington lashes, and these are super beautiful. They feel like they look pretty subtle compared to a lot of the pairs that I've seen, and I really like that. I don't really wear lashes. I love makeup, I love it, but I just don't put a lot on my face. Because I work so many weird shifts trying to, you know, keep us afloat while I'm student teaching, it just gets hard to remember. So I think these ones are really pretty. I could definitely see that for like a special something. I don't know. Or if I want to feel like it's a special something. And with that, we got the Lashes MD Eyebrow and Eyelash Conditioner. And supposed to see results in 3 weeks. Interesting. And it does. I'll have to double check the ingredients because I see collagen and not a full vegan, because that was tough for me. I did that for a couple of years and just wasn't my thing. which I wish I could do more. I really do, but Maker Eraser! But I am a vegetarian. I do keep things like that. So if things aren't safe, they just get donated. Obviously, I'm not gonna throw it away, but oh, I'm so excited, and I just can't hide it. These are my favorite. I love makeup erasers, and let's see. Oh, it's a trick box. So the box again has like cardboard bottom with some of the wiggle worms on top. So it doesn't have as much in there as it makes it look, but presentation wise it looks amazing. And this is a planner, and I have 3 planners going right now. So do I need one? No. But am I gonna look and go gaga over it for a little bit? So 2020 in this really beautiful script, and it is metallic, which is gorgeous. The flowers are beautiful, and the paper is really nice. It is very smooth. It is a beautiful cream color. We've got our calendar. We've got a list of holidays, and yeah, it is tiny, tiny, tiny. Got some note pages, and oh my goodness, all of the little flags. They have the little plastic clip already attached, so they are going to be super sturdy, super easy to turn. I love that. And this is actually really neat the way it's set up. So it looks like so thin, right? So I was anticipating it being not much more than just the months. But you've got the month set up, and then you also have the days of the week. So I guess it would be officially a weekly planner, right? Right. I like that. I like being able to have just like some notes down and around. And right now I have, I've got my 2 teacher planners going, and then I have a travel planner already. So I'm already trying to juggle a whole lot, but this is such a cool idea. I kind of wish it wasn't dated so that I could use it at a later date. Yeah, that is absolutely beautiful. So I'm going to make sure that this one goes to a super duper lovely home, because she is beautiful. Wow. So yeah, oh, just information on how to use the makeup eraser. I know how to use it. I'm gonna go wash my face and I think go to bed, because I gotta go teach Sunday school in a couple hours, and I should sleep today. Yes. So I do have some Stitch Fix coming on. If you have been waiting for them, I apologize that I had to take a little bit of time and adjust. I've got this student teaching to finish, and then I have one more. So I am doing that in the daytime and trying to get all my homework done and trying to still work overnight, and then teaching Sunday school on Sunday. So I'm just really packed, and you know, doing the whole mom thing, trying to be you know, around and available and tuned in. So they had to slow down. Obviously, we couldn't keep doing like 2, 3, 4 videos every week. So I hope y'all had a wonderful holiday, that your new year is starting amazing, and that's about it. I love you so much. Bye-bye.